my videos. He's the mechanic. Yeah, man. One day we went to get some jelly. Yeah, man. There was some wasp on a limb close to the ground, and funniest thing about it, we were young guys, and I was very, very stupid then. Yeah, man. But what really took place is that he is the more braver one, so he went and he decided to pick the nest from the coconut limb with his hands. And I was the naive one. He had a few jelly and a few stones. And when he reached nearby the wasp, as he was about to pick it, I threw one of the stones. Well, I basically threw one of the stone and it hit the limb. And I tell you, no more friendship, no more family from that. I had to be skipping, yeah man, running from a dear life. Because the wasp, they had their way with him, man. And trust me, guys, he had his way with me because I was